Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. Today we are here with an unboxing. This is a fitness equipment. This is the Voroly under desk leg exerciser cycle. I'll show you how it looks. This has battles and all, and I actually bought this for my mother. It's very cold and she cannot go outside for walking and all those things. So something is needed, like you can sit somewhere and just use something to paddle. So I actually ordered this for that reason. So let me show you around the box. Simple cardboard box, nothing much. And let me go ahead and do the unboxing for you. Plain cardboard box, no frills. Careful not to damage the equipment inside. Alright. Okay, first of all we have this manual, mini trainer user manual. It has warning, scare, attention, part list, assembly steps. This requires assembly and installing all the things, how to operate and all those things. And let's see what else. This is the paddle. Let me open this for you. The quality of this is quite nice. I'm surprised for that. The MRP of this is around 4,000 to 5,000, but you can get it for around 2,990 at Amazon. I would say quite a good value for money. And this is the paddle. You can use this. This is also an arm exerciser. You can also use it to exercise your arm. So this is the paddle. Quite nice. Very heavy. This is metal actually. I did not expect that. So they have provided all this the Allen key and a wrench here for your fitting purposes. That's nice. Always find that very helpful. Nicely packed. So as I said, some assembly is required of this. This is the stand. This is the stand, front and back. And this is the machine itself. Let me bring this out so that you can see that properly. This is the silver one, as you can see. There is also a black one here, but the black one costs 1,000 rupees more for the black color. I don't understand why they would charge that. Anyways, so it will be something like this. And the pedals would go here. And as you can see, they have a screen here, and using the screen you can see the calorie count, the calories that you have burned, the distance that you have gone, and there are a few other things also. I think 5 functionalities are there, and this lever here, using that you can adjust the resistance. So uh, it can be very light, and you can accordingly increase the resistance. So what that will actually mean is, in the cycle, when you go on an incline, you give more force to the pedal, so something like that. So that is really nice. And yeah, that's the unboxing for now. Do put in the comments if you want to see an actual review of this. So if you need that, I will of course I will do that. And also, if you want, I will in that video include all these settings and all those things. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.